most people have not been through this process before, and I hear this over and over again that, I'm unfamiliar. I'm not, I've never hired a lawyer before. I've never worked with a lawyer before, and they've never really dealt with insurance companies before. If they have a simple property damage claim, that might be their only experience, where an adjuster will come in and value some property and write a check for them. This is a lot different because you are dealing with things like fault and with damages, and people really don't know what their rights are. There are certain things that can happen. Insurance companies routinely want to take recorded statements, and they know where the weak spots are for claimants. They know people generally are poor at times and distances and estimating things, and sometimes they exaggerate, sometimes they embellish things, and those are all things, and they do that all the time. And so that is one of the things that we work on with them. If you're going to talk to the insurance company, you got to make sure you understand what they're going to ask. They're going to ask you, how long were you waiting at that red light? How far away did you see that? How far away was the other car when you first saw it? So they're going to be asking times and distances. And there are certain things that you can do to help your case. For example, in the car accident case, you may have seen the car coming a block or two earlier, and you may have been sort of monitoring that out of the corner of your eye, but you're expecting that car to stop at the red light. And so the question is, when did you see the car? Well, you saw the car a long time ago, but you didn't realize that it wasn't going to stop until right before the impact. So, it's things like that. Why do you want to get a lawyer involved? Because we know about those things. We know, we know what they're going to ask beforehand, and we know some of the problems that people have, and it's just by nature that people seem to have trouble with times and distances, and they don't see what the real question is, and sometimes that can be used against them later on if the case goes to trial. The other thing is, people really don't have an idea of what their case is worth, and insurance companies do. And so I've seen many times people have tried to resolve their personal injury case on their own, and the insurance company will offer the medical bills and $500 for pain and suffering, which is absurd. It should be 50 times that. But people don't know that. And so how many people accept $500 offers when their claim is worth a lot more? Probably a lot. And so you need somebody that can help you value the case as well.